Cooking Couture Atlanta here with your baking tip for today. Okay, today we're going to talk about butter. Butter is real, margarine is not. If you want something that is really natural, we're going to go with butter. Recipes are designed for butter, especially baking ones. The margarine is man-made. The composition of it with different oils and fats and lots of water doesn't make for the best, the fluffiest, the moist, the chewiest baked goods. If you want it real, get butter, and when you use your butter, make sure that you let it soften naturally. This is after sitting out at room temperature for like an hour or two. This is cold butter. There's a difference. It's a difference in the composition. Baking is science. If you warm your butter in the microwave, please let it cool down. Do not use it hot. Tried that, fried my cookies. You don't want that. Butter, no margarine.